Hello. Welcome to another learning video session of Excel with Excel. There are two special features in Excel. They are Paste Special and Selection Special. While Paste Special features are exposed through Context Menu option, Selection Special features are almost hidden and will not come to light unless we bring them through the keyboard shortcut keys. In this session, we will be learning Paste Special features of Excel. To know more about Select Special features, please watch our video on Select Special. In this video tutorial session, we are going to discuss about a powerful feature of Excel. Paste Special. It was a hidden feature of Excel. Because of that, very few people know about this feature and its uses. However, recent versions of Excel has included the Paste Special options in the context menu. If you wonder what is context menu, it is nothing but the list of options you get when you right-click the mouse button. Even if your version of Excel do not present you with Paste Special options in context menu, you need not to worry about it. In this session, you will learn how to bring the Paste Special menu. We will also see the shortcuts for the various functions of this feature. We will discuss the features of Paste Special in detail in the upcoming slides. In this slide, we will see how we can bring the Paste Special dialog window and choose different options. The window, what you see in the screen, is the Paste Special dialog window. To bring this dialog window, first, you have to copy something. Name of the feature itself is Paste Special. So, if you want to use the feature of Paste Special, you should have copied something. With all the options available in this feature, as you can see in the screen, you might already know Paste Special is a gateway to many powerful operations in Excel. To use Paste Special, just copy normally, then use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+V to bring this dialog window. Alternatively, you may use Alt+E+S command also. Using this shortcut does not actually finish the paste, it simply displays the Paste Special dialog window where you can choose options you want. Once this window is displayed, you can click on the radio buttons of options to select it. Please note that you can choose only one option each at a time in Paste and Operation sections. If you want to perform multiple actions on the same copied data, you may use this feature again so that you can choose the next option. Instead of selecting each option by click of mouse, you can type underlined letter to select options. To recap, in this slide, we learned how to bring the Paste Special dialog window and how to select various options available in this window. You also learned that you can select only one option at a time under Paste and Operation sections, and if you want to use more than one feature in the same section, you will have to perform the action again. In the upcoming slides, we will see what are practical uses of this Paste Special feature and its options. In the previous slide, we learned how to bring the Paste Special dialog and how to select various options. In this slide, we will learn how the commands in the Paste section is working. The options in this section is mostly used to paste data, preserving the formatting of destination cell or range of cells. All the commands in this section are more or less similar, and you can guess the behavior of the same by reading the option name. Let's look at the functions one by one. The first option is Paste All. We do not need much explanation on this, as it is just the normal paste and nothing else. Next option is Paste Formula. As the name suggests, when you use this command, it will paste only the formula into the destination cell or range of cells, observing the cell reference rules. In the given example, we have name of employees of a company in column A and their present salary details in column B. At the year end, company is planning to give increment to their employees and want to find out what will be the extra cost under 3 scenarios. For that, we are assigned with the work to calculate it and present in a proper manner for easy understanding. Let's enter the formula in the cell C3 and press enter to get the desired result. We enter the formula in C3 with proper cell referencing techniques and we get the correct answer. If you want to know more about the cell referencing techniques, please watch our video on references. Once the formula is entered, copy it and paste it to remaining cells in the first column. Once the copying is completed, enter the sum formula in cell C8 to calculate the total increment payable under 5% increment scenario. Once we finish it, let's copy and paste it to other columns also, to understand the amount to be budgeted for salary increment. Yes, we got the right answer. But there is a problem. Formatting of cells are changed. Now, we have to format the cells again to bring it back to the earlier look and feel of the worksheet. Is there a way to copy the formula without affecting the format of destination cells? The answer is yes. This is where the use of paste special formula command is useful. After copying the desired data, select the range of cells where you want to paste the formula. Now, bring the Paste Special dialog window, pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus V or Alt plus E plus S. Once you have the Paste Special dialog window ready, select the option Formulas and press Enter. You will see that the formulas are pasted to the destination cells without changing its formatting. That means it get rid of all the formatting of the source cells and assume the formatting of the destination cells. If you are fond of using keyboard shortcuts, you may use Ctrl plus Alt plus V plus F or Alt plus E plus S plus F to get the same result. Now, you understood how to use and what is the use of Paste Special formula command. Now, we will move to remaining commands in the paste section. As it is easy to understand, we will just refer to the remaining commands and will move on. Next command is paste values. If you understood the paste formulas properly, you will understand the use of this command without further explanation. It allows us to paste value of cells copied from to other cells without affecting the format of destination cells. That means it get rid of all the formatting of the source cells and paste the value to the destination cells and assume the formatting of the destination cells. Keyboard shortcut for the same is Ctrl plus Alt plus V or Alt plus E plus S plus V. Next command is paste comments. This is also similar to the previously mentioned commands. It allows us to paste comments of cells copied from to other cells without affecting the format of destination cells. That means it get rid of all the formatting of the source cells and paste the comments to the destination cells and assume the formatting of the destination cells. Keyboard shortcut for the same is Ctrl plus Alt plus V plus C or Alt plus E plus S plus C. Next command is paste validation. This is also similar to the previously mentioned commands. It allows us to paste validations of cells copied from to other cells without affecting the format of destination cells. That means it get rid of all the formatting of the source cells and paste the validation to the destination cells and assume the formatting of the destination cells. Keyboard shortcut for the same is Ctrl plus Alt plus V plus N or Alt plus E plus S plus N. If you want to know more about validation, please watch our video on validations. So far, we saw the commands that ignore the formatting of source cell. Now, we will see the commands that carry some of the formatting behavior of the source cell. So, the rest of the commands in the paste section is bit different from the commands we already learned. Next command is paste all using source theme. This command is not much use of these days, as normal paste will do the same magic. In the Excel versions prior to 2007, normal paste used to work with some restrictions. Next command is paste special all except borders. As the name suggests, when you copy and paste, it keeps all the formatting of the source cell except the borders of source cell. That means, when you paste, all formatting of destination cells except the borders will be overwritten by the formatting of source cells. Keyboard shortcut for the same is Ctrl plus Alt plus V plus X or Alt plus E plus S plus X. Next command is paste special width. As the name suggests, when you copy and paste, it keeps the column width of the source cell. That means, when you paste, column width of the destination cell will be overwritten by the column width of source cells. Keyboard shortcut for the same is Ctrl plus Alt plus V plus W or Alt plus E plus S plus W. Next command is paste special formulas and number formats. As the name suggests, when you copy and paste, it pastes the formula along with the number formatting of the source cell. That means, when you paste, formula, as well as number formatting of the destination cell will be overwritten by the formula and number formatting of source cells. Keyboard shortcut for the same is Ctrl plus Alt plus V plus R or Alt plus E plus S plus R. Next command is paste special values and number formats. As the name suggests, when you copy and paste, it pastes the value along with the number formatting of the source cell. That means, when you paste, value, as well as number formatting of the destination cell, will be overwritten by the value and number formatting of source cells. Keyboard shortcut for the same is Ctrl plus Alt plus V plus U or Alt plus A plus S plus U. With that, we will finish this slide, and let's recap what we learned. In this slide, we learned how we use different commands in the paste section of the paste special feature. We also learned the keyboard shortcuts of each of these commands. In the upcoming slides, we will learn the operation section of the paste special feature, and we will also learn how to use the skip blanks, paste links, and transpose commands of paste special feature. So far, we learned how to bring the paste special dialog window, and how to select and use various options under paste section. In this slide, we will learn the features under operation section of paste special. First, you need to understand that the options under operation section do not have self-existence. That means, options in operation section is always used in combination with an option under paste section. However, you cannot use the options under operation section in combination with formats, comments, and validation options of paste section. Though you can use the options under operation section with other options of paste section, its actual use is with the formulas and value options. Since the behavior of options under operation section is same for both formula and value, in our example, we will concentrate on combination with values. As mentioned in the paste section, in this section also, you can select the options either by clicking on the radio button on its left side, or by pressing the underlined letter. First option in this section is none. As the name suggests, it do not have any effect, and there is no point in discussing much about it. You can use this option to void any selection you made erroneously in this section. Next option is add. As the name suggests, this operation will add the value or formula of the copied cells to the value or formula of the destination cell. In the example, we have entered 10 in cell A1 and 50 in C3. If we want to add the value of cell A1 to cell C3, copy the cell A1 and go to cell C3 and bring the paste special dialog and select values, then select add. Now press enter and you will see that the value in C3 is added with value in A1. Keyboard shortcut for this operation is Ctrl plus Alt plus V plus D or Alt plus E plus S plus V plus D. If you want to add the same value again, repeat the same command, and you will get the result. Now, if you want to add 30 to this value, enter that value in some other cell, and copy it, and go to the cell C3, and repeat the command. It will add 30 more to the value in cell C3. As you can see, this is very easy to understand. Let's use the same in our earlier example of employee increment sheet. We will see how each of the options under operation section is working. First, we will take the option add. We will see how the salary of each employee will look like if the company decided to give an increment of 100 to each employee. For that, let's enter 100 in one of the empty cell, and copy the same, and select the range of cells from B2 to B6. Then, apply the command Alt plus A plus S plus V plus D. Here is your answer. Now, we will see how the subtract option works. Let's say, instead of increment, due to poor financial performance, company decided to reduce the salary of each employee by 250. To make this scenario effective, enter 250 in one of the empty cells, and copy the same, and select the range of cells from B2 to B6. Then, apply the command Alt plus A plus S plus V plus S. Here is your answer. Now, we will see how the multiply option works. Let's say company decided to increase salary of each employee by 25%. To make this scenario effective, enter 1.25 in one of the empty cells, and copy the same, and select the range of cells from B2 to B6. Then apply the command Alt plus A plus S plus V plus M. Here is your answer. Now, we will see how the divide option works. Let's say company wants to know what is the 50% salary of each employee. To make this scenario effective, enter 2 in one of the empty cells, and copy the same, and select the range of cells from B2 to B6. Then, apply the command Alt plus A plus S plus V plus I. Here is your answer. To recap, in this slide, we learnt the use of options under Operation section of Paste Special. We also learned that the options under this section can be used only in combination with some of the options under Paste section. In the upcoming slide, we will learn skip blanks, transpose, and paste link options under Paste Special feature. We learned how to bring the Paste Special dialog and uses of various options under Paste section and Operation section. In this slide, we will learn the remaining 3 options and will run through the context menu and one extra function which is not available in Paste Special dialog but available in context menu. We will also learn to bring the Paste Special menu through context menu and home menu. The first option we are going to talk about is skip blanks. We need not to discuss much about it, as it is very clear from the option name itself what it is going to do. It will just skip the cells in the destination range. It is very useful when we want to perform some Paste Special actions in a range where we have blank cells. The next option is transpose. This is a very useful tool. Many a times, we want to transpose our data from column model to row model, and vice versa. We will see how it is being done. To transpose the data, first step is to copy the data to be transposed. In our example, name of employee is in the first column, and their salary is in the second column. Now, we are going to transpose the data. For that, place the cursor where you want the new data to be pasted. Then, apply the command Alt plus A plus S plus V plus A to bring the Paste Special dialog with required options selected. Now, press the Enter key, and you will see that the data you copied is transposed and pasted. Now, we will use Alt plus E plus S plus T plus A command to apply the formatting to the destination cell. See how easily we could transpose the data and format it. Next, we will see the Paste Link option. Paste link help you to copy a cell and paste it somewhere with a direct link to the copied cell. This may not seem to be a useful tool, as we can just type a formula to directly link to the cell. However, when you work with so many sheets and files, it is very handy, as it creates a direct link to even a different file. Now, we move to the last feature, Paste as Picture and Paste as Linked Picture. Paste as Picture allows you to paste any copied cell or range of copied cell as a picture. This is useful only if you want to take the data to any other document as a picture, and no further operation is expected to carry out. Paste as Linked Picture is a useful tool. This allows you to paste a copied cell or range of copied cells as a picture with a direct link to those copied cell or range of cells. So, it gets the power of a cell with formatting advantage as a picture. This is very useful when you prepare attractive dashboards. With that, all the options in the Paste Special dialog is over. Now, we will see how to bring the Paste Special dialog through the context menu and home menu. As usual, to bring the paste options active, just copy a cell and right-click anywhere in the sheet. Then, you will see the paste options, and below that, you will see some clipboard icons. Below those icons, you will see the option Paste Special. Click on that, and you will get the Paste Special dialog window. You can also bring the Paste Special dialog from Home menu of Excel. Under Home menu, the first option is Paste. If you click on the down arrow under the Paste option, you will see all the Paste Special icons available in the context menu, and towards the end, you will see the Paste Special menu. If you click on that, Paste Special dialog will be visible. To recap, in this slide, we learned the skip blank, paste link, and transpose options of Paste Special. We also learned how to access the Paste Special dialog window from context menu and home menu. At the end, we learned extra Paste Special tool to paste as picture with link and without link. With that, we are concluding this learning video, and hope it was useful for those who did not knew about these features. Please do watch our video on Select Special for more special features of Excel. Hope you enjoyed this session and gained a fair knowledge on the Paste Special techniques in Excel. Do feedback us with your valuable suggestions and queries to abraham@jaxllp.com or info@jaxllp.com. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.